Rebuilds and strengthens skin. Dove Men+Care Extra Fresh Face and Body Wash is made with skin-strengthening nutrients for healthier, smoother skin. From the recommended men's brand. This face and body wash washes away without leaving residue on your skin. It's also an effective cleanser for hands. Micromoisture Technology. The only face and body wash powered by Micromoisture Technology, which activates on skin and is clinically proven to fight dry skin better than regular body and face wash. Refreshing clean. Feel clean and invigorated with this hydrating face and body wash and enjoy its crisp, refreshing scent of Mandarin Citrus, Patchouli, and Rosemary. Designed for men. Men's skin is different. Men sweat more, have thicker skin and lose hydration faster. Our body wash for men is specifically developed to protect it against skin dryness. Cleanse with care. The skin cleansing efficacy and men's skincare you need, all in one product. It's effective against germs and leaves your skin feeling healthy and strong. Top reviews from the United States. Great scent for men. Product is a little drying. Recommend a moisturizer after showering. Product is a little hard to rinse off, but for me it does not irritate the skin, leaving a really great scent. I am not happy with the container. Cap is hard to open and leaks soap anyhow, causing container to be slippery. Product is probably best suited for some type of wall dispenser.